Alright everybody, tonight we're doing a pot roast in the Dutch oven like I was talking about. Just preheat even. You can preheat it, but I would preheat your oven to 325. It's already preheated. I've got olive oil, just kidding, coconut oil. Remember what I told you about overcooking your fats. So we got coconut oil there, as you can see, and then we're gonna salt and pepper this. I've already washed it off. It's a pretty simple recipe, only takes like 4 or 5 hours. And then I'm also gonna glaze it with this cream of mushroom soup and the Lipton stuff. I'll show you how I do that later though, but I gotta get this glazed before this oil goes crazy. I missed you guys. Wanted to talk while we glazed it. Or sorry, not glazed it, but salt and peppered it. So my mom brought me this stuff yesterday, and I'm very thankful always when I get groceries that I can actually use. Sometimes people bring me groceries and it's like foods I don't eat or spices I don't need. Like this time I ran out of pepper, and I would have liked to have some extra pepper, but it's gonna be perfect. I'm not even complaining. And luckily we have time, and that's pretty much all you need. But the wonderful woman brought me onions and comfort food, vegetables, and comfort food meats. My grandpa used to make this when I was a kid. And yeah, so this will make me think of him. And I made the biscuits this morning with breakfast, but I'm definitely gonna eat it with some biscuits too. And I'm gonna make biscuits and gravy tomorrow. I might show you my biscuits and gravy spread. This one's gonna be different because it's not gonna be from scratch, but I'll still just show you what I make tomorrow morning. Anyway, so we get this thing all salt and peppered up, and I'm just gonna throw it in here. We're putting the Dutch oven on the stove at medium heat, and so there it's in. And we're just getting the sides all browned, so it's about 2 minutes per side. So we're gonna do 2 minutes per side on that. Oven's still preheated, 325 like I mentioned. After we brown it, we're gonna add the vegetables around it, and then do from there. Alright, bye. Alright, so I got the tongs cleaned, but while I'm over here, I wanted to I'm going to use that same bowl that I had the spices in, and just throw in this stuff. This is going to be the glaze after it's browned. So this is pretty much just onion soup mix, and this is pretty much just cream and mushroom soup. But they go well together, let me tell you. Anyway though, yeah, it's been like monsoony and rainy here in Tucson, and those days always remind me of like summers at my grandpa's house. And 1 second. Clean as you go. Clean as you go. Everybody now, clean as you go. Clean as you go, everyone. I don't know why I got a spoon. I already had a spoon. Now we have 2 spoons. 2 spoons in Tucson. How many spoons do you need? 3? Okay. Maybe I will. Anyway. I don't know what I'm talking about now. We gotta flip this. I was just going to do clips in this video, but I might actually just keep the camera rolling while I go. Nice. That's pretty browned, you know? It's kind of browned. What do you think? I might flip it again, you know? We shall see. Yeah, I've been really loving the food donations from my family. There's a little side on there. I'm going to flip it again one more time, but I was going to say, though, if you guys want to support me financially right now, I don't have any regular work currently due to some bullshit that happened at home here. So, donate to me on Cash App if you can. It's cash.app is the URL, cash.app/$, Daye, and then B, the letter B, and then Caiden, Caiden. Or you can go to lovepunkrecords.bandcamp.com and pick up some records. Anything helps though right now. But we're doing good. I've been streaming every day. I made a video that some of you might have seen going through Emerson's Self-Reliance, which is the whole idea behind like this cooking stuff and other things. This is all just quick and easy, practical living, that type of stuff. Specifically, though, the Love Punk stuff is for musicians who, you're going to be a starving artist if you're doing it yourself. So I teach you how to be a starving artist after being a starving artist for 10 years, so. And especially the past 3. Nice. It's looking good, y'all. But yeah, any way you can support me, it would be helpful. Like, subscribe to my YouTube. Subscribe to my Twitch stream if you guys are into Twitch. But I just re-upload all the video game stuff from Twitch over to YouTube afterwards. But I like storytelling through games, and I like playing games, because when I was doing music all the time, I didn't even have time to sit down and enjoy any of the stuff that I wanted to enjoy, and I almost lost my childhood over it, you know? So, yeah, support me over there, because there's still the issue that some people who don't like me keep flagging my posts as violent content when they're just like fucking cooking videos and other things. So I have a lot of haters, and I need help from the people who love me to go and show the love. And luckily my Twitter ban got lifted, so I'm not banned on there anymore. But so yeah, follow me on Twitter too, Daye Caiden. Oh yeah, and look up those Daye Caiden records on Spotify, Apple Music, all that. You guys are already doing that. Thanks for streaming all those. There should be a new release at the end of the month, so keep on the lookout for that. I kind of just brown all the sides until they're brown, you know? You can just keep flipping them. I don't know. I don't think there's a proper way to do it. Oh no, that's my cold tea. I had a hot tea. I have to eat this one up now. There's my hot tea. Anyway, it's all about comfort today, folks. I'm trying to show you recipes that are like really easy to do that you can probably just do in your sleep. I looked up one recipe for the, because I usually do it in a crock pot, but since I have a Dutch oven now, I was like, oh, let's look up these new Dutch oven recipes, and some of them were like ridiculous with the amount of like red wine and stuff and things that I don't have. So back to the idea of like just using what you got. Typically that's a way to help yourself live on less and be a little more minimalist, and I think it helps the entire world when we're doing that, because a lot of the problems in the world are dealing with the excess people have lived in. And I would argue a lot of our health problems are due to excess and, you know, all that other stuff that I preach about on the YouTube channel and the live streams. So, thanks for joining me. And Yeah, follow me on Instagram too. I just lost a bunch of friends over there, so yeah, Instagram.com/DayeVCaden. I didn't lose friends, I lost haters, I guess. But yeah, when you draw a line in the sand and then people show their true colors, sometimes it's a blessing. I'll show you what this guy looks like real quick. And I'm going to grab the vegetables. So, it's kind of brown for the most part. You know? I don't know. We'll do that last side. I really like this Dutch oven though. I got a big one. Oh, I know it. So this is our mix, by the way. I didn't show you it. I put the whole spoon in just for flavor. That's why we got the other spoon. Yeah, let me grab one. Yeah, but speaking of cutting people out of your life, let's cut a fucking onion. Yeah, I got worried because like my roommates stole a bunch of my stuff, and I was like, man, I don't have any knives, but I found one good knife, and sometimes all you need is one good knife. So we're doing one good knife, and I sharpen it because I know how to properly sharpen a goddamn knife, which the other roommate didn't know how to do. So try to have better people in your life. Don't have people in your life who beat you up. Let me just tell you that much. Or siblings who beat you up. Or a father figure who beats you up. Don't have that. Just cut it out. And if they get mad about it, oh well. At least you're not getting beat up anymore, you know? But they'll worry about money and they'll worry about what society thinks, and then they'll abandon their son in the process. But it's all good. They can have their own little hells. I'm gonna make a little heaven with my comfort food. Yeah, thanks for listening to me rant. This is gonna be a longer one. Ain't it? I'm gonna do one more flip because I want it as brown as this other side. And the process of like mixing music or making food or making anything is just trusting the, we're doing these coarse, by the way. I do like long cuts like this. I'll show you how to cut an onion sometime. But I'm not doing it, I'm not dicing it, I'm just doing kind of coarse. I guess it's kind of diced, I don't know. Anyway, you use what you got and you trust the timing of things and just let it kind of flow as it does. And usually when that happens, when you work smoothly on anything, it should always be smooth work. Work smoothly, bring lifetime peace. That was a little talisman that this monk in Chicago gave me that I still keep on my my altar that I have for my ancestors, along with some other things that remind me of Grandpa and Granddad and any of my friends who passed away whose dedication letters go into the urn. But I kind of live on the edge of that place. Ah, almost. Literally hit the lip. Do you want an onion addition shot? Do you want this? Some food. I don't know if I can do it with two hands, but we'll try it with one hand. Oops. Here we go. Get the camera angle. Get salt all over the oven. Hey, go. Sit down. Alright, we're going to have to do that with another hand. You saw some of it. Tell me you saw some of it. Anyway, I'm gonna take this off the heat. Excuse me. When the bell rings once, it'll be 3:25. 3:25, it's so early. Oh wait. Hey look, we don't have to cut them. I didn't know they were baby carrots. Nice. Oh, we're gonna have to cut the bag though. Some people are so frightened of you, they'll hide every sharp object in the house just in case you come back to the house. And then you have to find every sharp object in the house because you're back at the house. You know what I call those people? Confused morons. Oh my god. People are lunatics. Do I have to worry about violence being perpetrated against my family? I don't know. You guys think I'm violent? You fucking retards? Nobody in particular. This is just a conversation I had online. I have to say that for court. Fuck you guys. Not the good people, the bad people. Alright. I'm gonna glaze this mug. One sec. I don't know why I paused it. I'm just gonna pour it over. I can show you afterwards. Glaze the ham. Glaze it real good. Glaze it. Glaze it. You know you should. It's not a ham. Jesus, Daye. Glaze the beef. That's what you'll see. Actually, you're not even gonna see a beef. Oh yeah, make sure to lick. All the utensils, and all of your fingers. Maybe we should work on this. Maybe not. Maybe that's how I'm gonna do it. I don't know. Some of that. Oops, sorry. I love these oven shots. Some of this action. Some of this action. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hella. You guys been doing Ritual to Hella? She's a doll. Watch my Assassin's Creed Valhalla stuff if you want to know my flavor of spirituality. No? Okay. I'm just kidding. Alright, we're throwing this in the oven. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, okay? 4 hours or so? I don't know. 4 hours.